Hey guys, this is Margarita from Go Dominican Live. Today I'm visiting a very special place that I think especially the guys and some of the girls might like. And I want to present you Mick, who's the owner of the Cigar Lounge in Sosua. Mick, tell us all about you. When did you come to Sosua?
17 years ago, we came to Sosua, and we fell in love with the island. You know, it was a nice place to come to. We visited other parts of the island, but we kept coming back to Sosua. My wife had the bookstore in the plaza behind Flip Flops, and she was the book lady for, oh my goodness, 14 years.
Oh wow.
And then it was, we closed the bookstore and I concentrated on the cigars here, my son-in-law and I, and we've just been doing well. We used to be behind the Texaco station, gas station.
Okay, and then you moved.
And then the pandemic hit, and we decided, let's see if we can find a better place. So we found this place, and we've been fantastic since, you know. It's,
yeah, the Cigar Lounge is located above the Osteria Italiana. Is one of the well-known Italian restaurants in the area. So good food, great cigars, a good glass of whiskey or cognac, I presume, that goes with it. So I think this is one of the places that you need to visit.
Well, this is what a lot of people miss. Because we're up high, a lot of people miss the signs. But they're starting to catch on, and they're starting to come in, and we're regulars that text me, we're coming to Sosua, blah, blah, blah. If we get these sticks, yes, we've got them, no problem. And that's how it goes, you know.
That's nice.
It's a good day. It gives me something to do every day. And I mean, these I've been smoking for, I don't know, 40 years, you know.
I'm gonna come back at an evening after work, and you're gonna teach me how to smoke a cigar. Because
simplified. And it's the best time to smoke a cigar is in the evening.
Yeah.
You get a lot of guys that will come here for cigars, and what do you like to smoke? And the first thing they say is, Maduro. How long have you been smoking? Oh, 3 months. You're not smoking a Maduro.
But you can give them advice for a new smoker?
We can give them advice, because normally what I do is I put them on to Connecticut, which is a starter cigar.
Okay.
And then you move up to Condrojo. Then you move up to Maduro. You don't just start Maduro. Maduro, if you even smoke one of them in an empty stomach, it
can be heavy.
Gives you spins. You know,
so guys, I think all of us together, for the cigar smokers, come on over, because it's a nice ambience. It's old style. This is what a lot of cigar smokers like. But the ones who don't know how to smoke a cigar, Mick is the guy who can teach you and bring you into the system.
Take you through the stages.
I'm going to do it. I take you up on that. Thank you for your time, Mick.
You're very welcome.
And you'll be seeing me soon.
That's great. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.